Morning, guys. December 18th, 2024. This one I got a call from a guy I worked for before. He's got a problem with his tub, won't drain. And he said also
turn right at the traffic light.
The tub basement, tub piping in the basement's dripping also. Says it has to be addressed, but the tub won't drain. He tried plunging it, he tried putting Drano, all kinds of acid and stuff down there, and it still won't drain. So let's go by and see if we can get it to, see if we get the tub clear, get the tub draining, and then we'll fix the drain part. Well, that's my game plan anyway, so I guess his daughter's gonna be there, let me in. So I call her, she's there. Somebody's home, I'm on my way.
1/4 mile, turn right on Austin Street.
Nice day today, man. Probably 50 degrees out. It's like I gotta go change my oil on my trucks. Both trucks need an oil change. Today's a good day. It gets flipping cold out. I don't want to do nothing outside. It gets cold out. Next couple of days gotta be warm. Alright, I got a backed up drain here. Try a plunger on it. I'm gonna block this first. I can get it apart. If I can't, wow, that ain't good. I can't even get it apart. I'm a bitch. I got a different size screwdrivers. I got a big one here. Is that even gonna fit in there? I don't think so. Ain't gonna fit in there. Yeah, that's better. There it goes. You gotta get the right tool for the job. No problem. Hopefully this one comes out. Well, yeah. You gotta get the right tool. Gonna block this overflow up. You can't plunger it. Period. Ooh. Bet you this is full of shit. Betcha. Let's see what this looks like. You ready? Not too bad. That ain't even being used, so leave that out. I don't need that. Let me get rid of my old rag. Try that, see what happens. There it goes. Wow. That's all I can say. Wow. can say is wow. Unbelievable. That's all I can say is wow. Why do you wear gloves? I never figure it out. Well, I never figure it out. It's not even, I can't even move it. Ain't no Taj Mahal here, that's for sure. Ain't no Taj Mahal. Fix that. Bunch of stuff in the back here. We need a compression. We need a compression, an extension, and an elbow. Waist elbow. Where's his elbow? I should be able to make this shit fit. I need a nut. I need a washer on this end where it goes through. Maybe this will work. I'm gonna have to cut it to fit and be good. Hello, Miss Molly. Hello, Miss Molly. It's all rotted. This is all rotted. That's what you call crotch rot. That's what you call crotch rot right there. Come off. Hey, wow. No crotch rot. we got in there? What the hell we got in there? I gotta get a fucking ladder. I can't even. The old crotch rot. What do we got in there? The hell is that? Oh, some kind of fucking tape or something in there. Oh. The old flipping crotch rot. Wow, I might have to get another. I can get another slip knot for that. That ain't a big deal. The old flipping crotch rot. I'll be fine. Oh well, I gotta go down some more. I gotta go down some more. It don't go in much, does it? No, about an inch. It goes in about an inch. About an inch. Yeah, better. That's better. I don't like the flipping crotch rot. I like these rubber ones. They're pretty good. Alright. It should work. Tighten everything up and we'll see if it runs, if it doesn't leak, we're good. Yeah, flipping crotch rot. Alright, let's try that. leaks. Going down, see the leaks. He's going down good, so I'm going to put a screen up top there for him. Don't catches any here. Taj Mahal here, wow. Really good. Hang on! I got these little screens here I like to put in the drains. I put one in the drain and it catches the hair. I got a whole bunch of them in there. I got a whole bunch of them. I usually put them in. What is it, Molly? What is it? Alright, I gotta get him a slip. I'm on my way here. I'm off like a prom dress. Yeah, I'm off like a prom dress, Miss Molly.